Hey everybody, I want to tell you about a special promotional deal. It's reserved for my viewers and the Everything Bibles community. This special discount is on the Premier Collection Grace and Truth Study Bible in navy goatskin. Currently this edition retails for $280 and it's a beautiful Bible. But you can use the promo code GRACE and get 60% off your purchase between the 29th and the 31st of March. This has a beautiful navy goatskin cover with raised ribs on the spine, perimeter stitching around the outside of the cover. There's a red calfskin liner with goatskin leather cover imprinted on the bottom of the liner, and an additional gold gilt line around the perimeter of the liner. The edition also has 3 double-sided satin ribbons, red, silver, and navy blue. There's a slight red under gold art gilt, and the yap is very generous on this edition. Now the edition itself has the complete text of the accurate, readable, and clear New International Version. The notes at the bottom of the page are very insightful, overseen by the general editor, Dr. Al Mohler, who is the president of the Southern Baptist Theological Seminary, and I've really enjoyed using them. The text is in the exclusive NIV comfort print typeface, and it's a 9-point text size, and the notes section is in an 8-point text size. I also really love the book introductions in this edition. Such a beautiful Bible. Go to the link in the video description and add in the promo code GRACE to get 60% off this edition. That takes this edition from $280 all the way down to $112. So please take advantage of this promotional deal while you can.